Cleaning your car at home can be a satisfying and effective way to maintain its appearance. And one of the best tools for achieving a professional level cleaning is a foam cannon. Welcome to MG Factor. When paired with a pressure washer, a foam cannon helps you cover your vehicle in a thick foam that lifts dirt and grime, making it easier to rinse away without the risk of scratching the paint. In today's video, we will walk you through the steps of using a foam cannon and pressure washer to clean your car. We will cover everything from setting up your equipment to applying the foam and rinsing it off for a spotless, streak-free finish. Whether you are a car enthusiast or just looking for a more efficient way to wash your vehicle, this method will give you a clear, gleaming, showroom-worthy shine. Stay tuned to learn how to achieve the best result with minimal effort. Few helpful tips and tricks for using a foam cannon and pressure washer to clean your car. Use right soap. Always use a soap specifically formulated for foam cannons and cars. Regular soaps may not foam properly or could strip wax and sealants from your car paint. Trick. Look for a pH balanced soap that are gentle on your car finish but tough on dirt. Proper dilution is important. Follow the manufacturer instruction for soap to water ratio. Overly concentrated soap can leave a residue, while too much water might reduce the foaming action. So what's the trick here? Mix your soap in warm water. This can help dissolve the soap better and create a thicker foam. Also pre-rinse your car. Before applying foam, rinse the car with water using your pressure washer. This removes loose dirt and debris that could scratch the paint when you start scrubbing. Few tricks. Use a wide angle nozzle for a pre-rinse to cover more area quickly without risking damage to the paint. Apply the foam evenly. Start applying the foam from the bottom of the car and work your way up. This method ensures that the foam clings to the surface longer, allowing it to break down dirt more effectively. Let the foam dwell. Allow the foam to sit on the car for about 5 to 10 minutes. This dwell time helps the soap lift dirt and grime from the surface. Some trick. Avoid letting the foam dry on the car, especially in direct sunlight. If it starts to dry, mist the car with water to keep it wet. Now use the 2-bucket method for scrubbing. After the foam has done its work, use a microfiber, wash mitt and 2-bucket method. 1 bucket with soapy water and 1 with a clean water for rinsing the mitt. To wash the car, work in sections and rinse the mitt frequently to avoid scratching the paint. Now rinse thoroughly. Use the pressure washer to thoroughly rinse off all the soap starting from the top of the car and work your way down. Use a fan spray nozzle for a even and gentle rinse, reducing the risk of water spots. Once the rinsing process is done, dry the car properly. After rinsing, dry the car with a clean, soft microfiber towel to avoid water spots and streaks. For a streak-free finish, use a leaf blower or a dedicated car dryer to blow water out of crevice before towel drying. A maintenance tip. Clean your foam cannon and pressure washer after use to prevent soap buildup and ensure they are ready for the next wash. Rinse the foam cannon with warm water after each use to prevent clogging and extend its lifespan. Thanks for watching the video on how to clean your car using a foam cannon and pressure washer. We hope you found these tips and tricks helpful for achieving a spotless, professional finish right on your driveway. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest car care tutorials. Happy cleaning and see you in next video. Until next time, stay safe and healthy.